Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I felt like I haven't filmed in ages. I've been alright. Just been chilling for a few days. Taking some me time. But I miss y'all. I miss being in front of the camera. I haven't really cooked anything. But today I'm getting ready to air fry some catfish. I already washed it and towel dried it. So I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to put on it. I got some water boiling on the stove for spaghetti. So that's what we're going to have for dinner. Catfish and spaghetti. Okay, I'm going to lower this. I'll be back. Okay, here's the fish. This is what I'll be breading it with. Stan's fish breading. I found this in Pete's Fresh Market. Is this on? Yes. So, and I already put some in this breader shaker bowl. And I'm not going to fry all this fish. Okay, I'll be using some Old Bay seasoning. Some pepper and some yellow mustard. So I'm squirt that on here first. And it won't make it taste like mustard. Nice swig. See that? We'll put on the Old Bay. Even though the breading is seasoned, I like to season my meat. Is this coming up? Yeah. So I'll leave the link to the breader shaker bowl. I'll leave the link to the automatic pepper grinder and a link to my Evo oil sprayer in my description box. Okay, where's my glove? And the rubber band. These are the kind of gloves they come off when you're trying to season the meat. So you need a rubber band to hold it on. Now I'm going to smush it. And I will be spraying the breaded catfish with olive oil when I put it in the air fryer. I'll be using my CruxGG 9-quart Trizone air fryer. Okay, I think this piece needs to be cut a little more. This is the tail portion. I'm going to cut that. But the rest of them are like steaks. Like that. I like the horseshoe pieces. So I'm going to cut this. Arthur likes the tail the best. Okay, it's seasoned. I'm going to cut this piece. Y'all see what I'm doing? I hope this cut through here. Cuts through chicken good. Okay, that's good. Okay. This has like a little cage in here. Where my phone at? Nobody. Nobody. So these pieces. Unavailable. Okay. Secure the lid, hold the little ledge right there, and shake. Okay, I put some parchment paper up under these little. See the paper down there? Sometimes I use foil, but it's cheaper to use paper. Help with the cleanup. And I'm going to use both sides. Why am I going in here? Alright. Braid it nicely. I always shake off the excess breading. I'm going to cook it up. Okay, that's good. Just a minute, I forgot about the spaghetti. Hey, I'm back. Okay, I'm going to put the rest of it in here for later. And I'm not going to batter it right now. Just putting it in here. I'm going to put this in the fridge. I'm not going to shake it up until I'm actually ready to air fry it. Because when I find that when the batter stays on here and goes in the refrigerator, it gets hard. I like my stuff crispy, but not hard like concrete. Okay. Now this is the way it looks in here. Okay. I'm going to spray it. Did that piece shift? It sure did. Get over there. Spraying it with some olive oil. Okay, look at this spray. This air fryer is sitting on something called a glide mat, so I can slide it easily back and forth. I'm supposed to pull it out from the wall. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to use dual mode. air fry. It don't usually take that long for fish. I'm gonna leave it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It says 20 minutes, but I don't think it's gonna cook that long. Then I'm gonna go to the right side, air fry. I'm just gonna leave it. So start. 400 degrees, 20 minutes. And I don't plan on flipping it, but we'll see. Okay. Okay, we'll finish fixing the rest of the dinner. And I will be back. Okay, y'all, my fish is done. Stop. Unplug it. I didn't flip it over at all. Let me get this towel so I can see how it looks. Nice golden brown. Don't want to burn my hand. Let me get the big spatula. You need a big spatula. I'd rather use a spatula for fish instead of tongs, because fish is very tender and I don't want to tear it up. Look at this, how the other side, this is the other side. I didn't flip it. It's just as brown and crispy as the other, as the top. I didn't put oil on the other side. Just this is the cattail piece I cut. Hand. If more tongs come in handy, just grab it. Ooh. I just tore this piece. These look like frog legs. Okay. Look at that platter of fish. I'm going to take this off and show y'all and get a good thumbnail. Okay, here's my Stan's fish breaded catfish, cooked in my air fryer. Cooked it for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I didn't think it would take 20 minutes. And I did not flip it. And I'm going to show y'all the other side. I didn't flip it at all. Hot, 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 hot. Pretty good. No flipping. It's crispy. Okay. This is a good enough thumbnail. I'm going to fix my plate. And this is the breading I used. Stan's fish breading, and I bought it from Pete's Fresh Market. That's what it looks like. And it don't have something in it. Oh, it does have the MSG in it. Okay. It says good for air frying. That's exactly what I did. Okay, here's my dinner. Got the hot sauce on the fish. That's some good old spaghetti. There's no meat in it. Okay, I'm getting ready to get my eat on. I'm going to break off a piece of fish. Oh, I shouldn't have dipped it in the hot sauce. Let me taste this. Let me eat a piece with no hot sauce. That's how it looks. Nice and white and flaky. Take these bones off. I'll do that later. Let me taste it again. I'll be buying this again. The Stan's fish breading. It has cornmeal in and corn flour. Spices, dehydrated garlic and onion, MSG, and natural flavor, whatever that is. Air fry or bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit until done. Well, I air fried at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and it's perfect. And I didn't have to flip it over at all. That's how the inside. It's good, y'all. This is the regular. This ain't the spicy. It's very, very good. Very good. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, and I'll be posting videos regularly again. Bon appetit. Go on, finish seasoning. Look what this man doing to this fish I just fried. Look at this.
I'm gonna cover up the lens.
Messing up the fish. It's seasoned perfectly. Now it looks like it's been drugged through the sand on the beach. That makes me mad because I season food good. He ain't through yet.
Get out of here.
I'm going to set this plate outside for the cats. They ain't going to want it.
Get out of here.
He ain't through yet. Look, he got the pepper. Now, it was already seasoned perfectly.
Nah, it is pretty.
And you're going to clean this stove. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this plate.